we divide this 59 by 5 in long division method. So 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 9 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now this 4 is less than 5. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 59 divided by 5 is 11 decimal 8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.